Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of Mint Mobile, one of the most disruptive mobile carriers in the US. Let's dive into what Mint Mobile offers in 2025 and we'll see whether it's the right choice for you. Let's get started. Mint Mobile was founded back in 2015 in Costa Mesa, California, and it began as a sub-brand called Mint SIM under its parent company Ultra Mobile. What makes Mint Mobile so interesting is that it operates as a mobile virtual network operator. That means it doesn't own any physical infrastructure. It instead buys bandwidth in bulk from T-Mobile and resells it to customers at a lower price. Now let us talk about the main features of Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is designed to be simple, affordable, and effective. Now here are a few core features. Powered by T-Mobile's network. Since Mint runs on T-Mobile's infrastructure, customers get access to the same fast and wide-reaching 4G Lite and 5G coverage. That means reliable signal in urban areas and expanding coverage in suburban and rural zones. Prepaid plans in multi-month bundles. Mint is not a pay-per-month service like traditional carriers. Instead, it offers 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month plans, all of which must be paid upfront. So the longer the plan you choose, the cheaper your monthly rate. There are flexible data tiers. Mint offers a variety of plans based on your data needs. There is a plan for 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, and unlimited data with hotspot support. Even the unlimited plan comes with mobile hotspot access, and unlike some competitors, Mint includes free tethering up to a certain limit. Unlimited talk and text. Every plan includes unlimited talk and text nationwide, so you never have to worry about overages or minute caps. Free international calling. All plans include free calls and texts to certain countries, making it a great choice for users who frequently connect with those regions. Hotspot is included. You can use your phone's hotspot feature on all plans, with the unlimited plan including up to 10 GB of hotspot data. Bring your own phone. Mint makes it incredibly easy to bring your existing phone over. Most unlocked devices are compatible, and you can check on their website before switching. No contracts. There are 0 contracts or hidden fees. Once your prepaid term ends, you're free to renew or walk away. No strings attached. Now let us talk about the pricing of Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile's pricing is designed around bulk savings, so you prepay for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months at a time, and the longer you commit, the cheaper your effective monthly rate becomes. So for the 5 GB per month plan, you have $15 per month to pay for 3 months upfront, $20 per month to pay for 6 months upfront, and $15 per month to pay for 12 months upfront. The same goes for the 15 GB per month, 20 GB per month, and the unlimited plan. This is really amazing. But let us talk about the pros and cons of using Mint Mobile. First, the pros. Incredible value. Mint offers some of the cheapest rates in the US for wireless service with reliable coverage. Simple and transparent pricing. Strong network. Hotspot and international perks. And there's also a bring your own device plan. You don't have to buy a new phone to switch. How about the cons? Upfront payment method. Not everyone can drop all the money upfront or to prepay for a full year at once. They don't have a monthly billing option, so if you prefer monthly payments, this model may not work for you. No premium add-ons. You won't get extras like maybe Netflix bundles, international roaming packs, or device insurance. Having considered all of this, is Mint Mobile the best wireless plan in 2025? Well, for most people, especially those looking to cut costs without compromising on coverage, I'd say absolutely yes. Mint Mobile hits that sweet spot. Low price, solid performance, and easy setup. And the fact that it's now owned by T-Mobile only strengthens its value proposition. You get access to one of the fastest growing 5G networks in the US with all the essential features baked into the plan. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Visible by Verizon, Ultra Mobile, and Tello Mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.